Don Schumacher sees the puzzle assembled. We see the pieces. And you're right, it's up to us to find a way to put those pieces together to have a perfect final puzzle with the results that he's looking for. If Don thinks it can be done, we need to adapt our thinking to find out how to get it done. And he certainly expanded the vision that all of us have here. We'll look at each other and go, how are we going to do that? But he'll challenge us and we'll come up with a way. All the different wraps and everything that we're going to deal with on the Western Swing, there's a way to do that. We've got our in-house vinyl shop, we've got a great designer, a great installer, great visionaries from each of our team marketing representatives, working with our crew chief to put all of that plan in place, and it'll come off just fine. So we've learned to never give up. We've learned that if there's a mathematical chance to accomplish something, it can be done. We're going to give it our best effort. If somebody outruns us and they pull it off, we'll shake their hands and start over. But on more than one occasion, we've found a way to win from behind, from whatever the circumstances are laid out in front of us. You find a way to mold those circumstances into the opportunity and the plan and the execution to get it done.